Hi guys, okay, so this is my next YouTube video. This is basically coming out of the explanation video on CPUs and multi-core CPUs. So essentially, I'm here waiting in the car, and they said, well, here's what. Since I have some time, spare time, I'll create this YouTube video to explain more about operating systems and the illusion of operating systems, which I would have basically mentioned in the previous video. So in the previous video, I mentioned that the operating system gives you the illusion that everything is running at the same time. And I'll try to explain what I mean. When the first single-core machines, single-core CPUs were created, as I said, only one task could be done at any instantaneous time. So let's say the time is 12 o'clock now, only one task could be done at 12 o'clock within this instant of time. Um, and so the operating systems, as you know, there would have been command line operating systems, which are basically operating systems, but basically text based. So all you have to do is you type a command on the screen and it will output some information. But then when Microsoft came out with Windows, it changed. I guess it changed the world in a sense. Of course, there's other operating systems as well that created a graphical user interface, which is like Windows. Graphical meaning you have a mouse and you can click on it, and basically it's graphics on the screen that you're seeing, as opposed to text. So essentially, what Microsoft did was when it designed out the operating system, it created the illusion that multiple things were running at the same time. But in fact, only, as I said, based on the CPU, only one thing can be running instantaneously. So let's think of having three applications open. Let's think of having Microsoft Word open, Microsoft Excel open, and Microsoft PowerPoint open. Right. You would, when you use the machine, you think, oh, well, all of these things are running at the same time. And that is the illusion that I'm talking about. When you're referring to Windows and running on a single core machine, only one, as I said repeatedly, only one process could be running at a specific instantaneous time. And so what happens is, how the operating system works is the operating system gives the Word application a microsecond of time. Then it goes and gives the Excel a microsecond of time, worth of CPU time. And then it gives PowerPoint a microsecond of CPU time. And then it loops it back, so it keeps going around in a loop. So it gives Word a microsecond, Excel a microsecond, PowerPoint a microsecond, goes back to Word giving a microsecond, Excel a microsecond, PowerPoint a microsecond, and keeps looping like that. So what it does, it basically creates the illusion that all these things are running at the same time, but technically they are not running, they are not being processed at the same time. But because the computer is so fast, because a processor is so fast, it allows that illusion. It allows the operating system to create that illusion. Now, this has changed a little bit in time, because now what you have are dual core machines and quad core machines and multi-threaded machines. So true multitasking is now actually being in play, because what it allows you to do is create what the CPUs allow you to do now, because let's say a dual core machine, as I said earlier, might be able to handle two simultaneous processes. So in fact, nowadays, it may actually be Word using one CPU and Excel using another CPU. So I just thought that was interesting and kind of amazing how operating systems work. I hope that you subscribe to my channel so that you can hear more about all these different IT terms and IT terminology. Sorry about the sound, I'm near to traffic and I'm in the heat right now. So please subscribe, and I will see you guys soon again. Bye bye.